Hi, cheers! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share with you the gadgets here, the Emeril Lagasse pasta maker. So this is the part 2. I already did the part 1. So this is the unit here, the main unit here. And this is the pasta attachment here. And we're gonna disassemble it. It came like this. So when you make a pasta, make sure you know what to do. So this is the knob here. You can press it to open like that. So there's knob here. You can press it and pull up. So and it came with, this is the Pasta and Beyond owner's manual. So you can read that one. The juicer recipes. There's some juice, Cajun storm. So cucumber, grapefruit, watermelon mint, blueberry mojito, spinach kale, and cucumber. So this is the juice. So this, I'm just doing the pasta maker first, and we'll do another blackboard or juicer. So this is the pasta and do recipes, guys. Giving the manual here. Lasagna, semolina, chickpea pasta, spinach pasta, spaghetti and meatballs. So there's some recipes here and dough recipes. So Pasta and Beyond. So this is the Pasta and Beyond quick start guides. There's all the parts here, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disassemble these parts, okay? So when we put the lid, we put it like, you gotta align this thing here. There's two here that you got to align there. And you're gonna bend a little, align. So it clicked and it's closed. So first we're gonna disassemble this thing. We got the topper, the close lid. Then we're gonna turn this knob here that way to the left. So there's top over here. So we got this up first, second. So I'm gonna line this up. This is the pasta. Or you can select which pasta you're going to make. I think they put numbers in there. So I don't know how many attachment, but this is where you store this attachment so it doesn't get lost. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attachment. You can put it back so it doesn't get low. Get this out. So when you clean them, because those gonna get stuck in there, so we can wash it after we make the pasta. So we pull this out. This is the pasta attachment. So this is the main parts over here. So make sure when you first use, you got to rinse and wash this thing. So when we put this back again here, clean this thing. Kind of pull this. So this is the one we'll need the dough. Then it will mix and mix and mix, and it will extrude. Now we already disassembled these parts. So, and this is the juicer part. We're gonna do that on the next vlog. I think you got this one over here. The attach got to go there. I'm gonna do that on the part 3 of our vlog. So after we assemble, we gotta rinse this part. So I'll show you how to put it back together. That one, then this one has to be aligned first. It's better if you align this first. So this one will go in this metal parts. Will go in there. Make sure it's will align to the hole, because it's gonna make a clip there. So next is this part. Will go in there. Sure it's right there. Catch. Then this ring. Go in there. And this knob that we twist to the right to tighten it. Okay, so when you make a pasta, you put your dry ingredients here, and it's going there. So it's closed now, so the liquid goes here, so the salt and the flour goes in this thing. So just open and put your ingredients, then close, then you pour the liquid here. So this is the how to disassemble and assemble the Emeril Lagasse pasta maker. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, cheers, life and style, and don't forget to hit that bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you.